Mastering idiomatic expressions in formal writing. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of idiomatic expressions. While they can add spice to our language, it's essential to use them aptly, especially in formal writing. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped to edit and revise your texts to improve the use of these idiomatic phrases. Let's embark on this enriching journey and fine-tune our writing skills. Idiomatic expressions can be a double-edged sword. When used correctly, they enhance your writing and make it vibrant. But in a formal setting, the wrong idiom can make your writing appear unprofessional. For instance, saying, "kick the bucket," instead of "passed away," might not be suitable in a formal obituary or a condolence letter. Be wary of 1. Overusing idioms. While they can enhance writing, cramming too many into a single piece can make it hard to understand and come off as forced. 2. Misusing idioms. Using an idiom in the wrong context can confuse readers or convey the wrong message. 3. Using slang or colloquialisms. Some idioms are casual and not appropriate for formal writing. For instance, "bite the bullet" may be too informal for a business proposal. Step 1. Reread your work. As you go, underline or highlight idiomatic expressions. Step 2. Ask yourself if the idiom fits the context. Can it be misunderstood? If yes, consider replacing it. Step 3. Check for redundancy. If two idioms convey the same idea, choose one. Step 4. Ensure that the idiomatic expression is used correctly. A slight change in wording can alter its meaning. For instance, if you wrote, "We mustn't put all our eggs into one basket, especially in this stormy sea of business," you might revise it to, "In this unpredictable business climate, it's wise not to put all our eggs in one basket." Practicing will reinforce your skills. Try writing a formal letter or report and intentionally include idiomatic expressions. Then, revisit your text, applying the steps mentioned earlier. English idioms are captivating and can add flavor to our writing. However, like a chef with spices, we must use them judiciously. Remember, it's not about avoiding them, but about using them right. I hope this video has shed light on the art of employing idiomatic expressions in formal contexts. Keep practicing, and soon, it'll be second nature. Until next time, happy writing!